Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into a classic reborn for modern riders, the new 2026 Honda Shadow 750. Long admired for its smooth cruising nature, timeless design, and dependable Honda engineering, the Shadow series has always been a favorite among cruiser fans. For 2026, Honda refines this legend with subtle upgrades that make it more stylish, more comfortable, and more enjoyable than ever. Let's take a closer look at what the new Shadow brings to the road. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 carries its iconic cruiser silhouette but adds a sharper, more refined presence. Honda updates the front end with a sleeker headlamp and slightly reshaped fenders for a cleaner profile. Chrome accents remain, now paired with deeper color options that enhance its classic look. The low-slung stance and sculpted fuel tank create a balanced mix of vintage charm and modern appeal, making the Shadow stand out whether parked or cruising down the highway. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2026 model is the trusted 745cc V-twin engine, tuned for smooth torque delivery and effortless cruising. Paired with a precise 5-speed transmission, it offers relaxed power for city rides and comfortable highway performance. Honda improves throttle response and efficiency with updated fuel mapping, while the chassis and suspension have been refined to deliver a more composed ride. The Shadow's low center of gravity ensures easy handling for riders of all skill levels, safety and technology. Honda enhances the Shadow's usability with modern touches while keeping its classic feel intact. The 2026 model features improved braking performance with optional ABS, updated instrumentation with a clearer display, and better lighting thanks to new LED elements. While the bike keeps its traditional analog vibe, riders still benefit from smoother operation, better reliability, and subtle tech updates designed to improve everyday riding. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 continues the legacy of a dependable, stylish, and rider-friendly cruiser. With updated design cues, refined performance, and a focus on comfort, the new Shadow is ready for weekend trips, daily commutes, and everything in between. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle reviews, launches, and insights into the machines shaping the riding world.